And welcome back. So this is just a handheld video of practical use for the PCB board that we've been playing with. I've now got myself a food dehumidifier to dry my 3D printing filament, and there will be a video about the dryer. But I just thought, you know what, I've got the sensor, let's put it in. I know it's not calibrated, but I've 3D printed a box, as you can see, and that box will be available on GitHub or there'll be a link in the description. So I've extended the DHT22 into the box down here. As you can see, it's on the first layer, and I've also got a temperature food thermometer that you would put into food to check its temperature. Now, you've got to realize that the DHT22 sensors are not very accurate. They're not really calibrated. What do you expect for a few bucks? But I'm more concerned with the relative difference between the sensing it's picking up inside the chamber. So let's see, we've got 50, let me just look without the camera, it's 56.5 and 23% humidity. So I'm just going to leave it in there for another 5 minutes because it's only been in there a couple of minutes, just to let it stabilize. And then I will take it out and measure the relative humidity and temperature that I'm standing in making this video. And it will just give us a comparison of what this dryer box is doing. So I'll do a screenshot because this is on Wi-Fi and it should be broadcasting a web page, which is obviously part of our development of this project, to give me a screen grab of that information. So while we're waiting for this to stabilize, I'll go and do that, and then we'll come back in 5 minutes or maybe 10. I have a cup of coffee, so time it takes me to boil a kettle, drink it, it would have stabilized, and then I'll take it out and continue with the video. So here, a practical use. Say the box works well. It all depends how well your 3D printer is commissioned. But I'll do a little video on the box anyway and show you a link to where you can get the STL files from. So yeah, it's all coming together. Feeling happy. Cheers for now.